Sub TV Land. This ain't TV Land or CBS. But guess what? Everything will be good on NBC. Alright? Well, let's tell y'all a few things that probably don't make sense, or probably do make sense or don't make sense. Like Scott Duggar and Silk the Shocker said, if it don't make dollars, it won't make sense. Yep. So Jeopardy come on in town in a couple of minutes. Okay, so I gotta be here to watch the show. You know, I hope y'all enjoyed Drew's Diner episode. You know, Halloween episode. You know, I don't think Will of Fortune doing a Halloween episode, as far as I know. You know, if he is, well, whoop-dee-do all that. Well, whoop-dee-do all that. Well, oh well. So you never know who the hell would do an episode of Chili's and Billy's and stuff, you know. If y'all can give it a hoot, you know. So, alright, so this show, I don't know what this show is all about, you know. Well, it's Halloween Day. Today my cousin Terrence's birthday and my cousin Solomon's birthday, and I know y'all saw them in my previous videos or whatnot, you know. So I'm pretty sure y'all know who they are, you know. And then the other day, it was the Saturday that just passed, you know. Went to a baby shower and stuff like that, and then this little boy said, "I'm not gonna be famous." Of course you're not gonna be famous. I'm the famous one, you know. As far as I know, Tanya helped me with my show, you know. She said I was going to make it, and she the one that said that my show is going to go on and on and on and on and, you know. Yep, on and on and on and, you know. That's what it is, okay? Yeah, I miss that little nasty girl. You know, I call her nasty because, well, I don't want to go there, okay, cause you know, she gonna watch this video anyway, and she gonna be very upset, but who gives a damn, okay? Well, the hell with it, I'm gonna just say it anyway, cause she likes to throw up, but I don't think she like that anymore, unless she have a relapse when she see me again, and cuckoo, you know. She says she like to throw up because it tastes good. I know she ain't the only one that likes that. Just like them girls that on these videos and these guys or whatever doing a milk challenge and stuff like that. About these 3 girls, or was it? No, it was 3 or 4 girls vomiting in the middle of the street doing the milk challenge. They drank a half a gallon of milk. They started throwing up and stuff like that. And then some lady out of nowhere. Saying that they were spreading germs, you know. You dirty girls. I don't know where that video at. I don't know if they deleted that video or what, you know. I mean, this woman came out of nowhere. You dirty girls. And guess what? Those girls ran, you know. You're spreading germs. Yes, indeed, they were spreading germs. I don't believe they were spreading germs. If there was spreading germs, I'm looking for my phone. I'm going to get my phone later. It's way over there on the bed. As some of you know, I don't sleep in this bedroom like talking about it, you know. I sleep in my mama's room, you know. So some of you already know she passed away, you know. So since I'm head of the household and stuff like that, yep. Since I'm head of the household, I'm asleep in the master bedroom, you know. But too bad I can't bring my computer in there unless I have to take this computer and put it in there and block the doors and stuff, you know. Now that'll be obvious and uncareless, you know. Careful, or whatever, because you know these doors have to be clear, just like this door right here, because this that chest of drawer that's in the corner there, was half blocking the, or was it the bed that was half blocking or whatever? I don't know. Okay, it took me a while to fix this room up, and plus I have my computer over there. As some of you remember, you know. Yeah, it was hard for me to maneuver this room. You know, have my computer over here and stuff like that by the vent and stuff like that, and then sitting on my bed with the computer and stuff like that. Yes, indeed, you know. Oh, Lord. And then dealing with family members, vultures and stuff like that. Then my cousin took a child here, stole a child about a day after my mom passed away and stuff like that. Yep, they were vultures, and you know, they didn't care for us, you know. Especially this dirty bird Akira. You know, I hate her guts, you know. I don't care if she watches this video or what, you know. Like I don't like her because she's evil, you know. Stealing stuff out, not a carrier. Macy and Jared and them stealing money out of my house and stuff like that, you know, and stealing this and stealing that. Domino don't like no thieves, you hear me? I hate thieves, you hear me? Okay? Yep. And then my own damn brother, Brandon, they call him Loco or Nut. He called himself B. Early. Bullshit. He's loco. I don't call him no goddamn B. Early. He ugly to be called some goddamn B. Early, you know. Yep. Yes, indeed. You know, stupid is, stupid does. Well, got the house to myself, nice and peaceful. Nobody to tell Domino what to do. And one of these days, I'm gonna own the house. You know, golly, I gotta. Let me call Ryan. I forgot to ask him what's the name of his YouTube, you know. All right. All right. Yeah, what's up, bro? Oh, the business is out. I forgot the name of your YouTube. What's the name of it? Big Play what?
That's number 8.
Oh, Big Play 8. You gotta type it together or space it out?
All together.
Oh, all together. Big Play 8. I gotta remember that though. Oh yeah, I'm on the phone with Big Play. He have a YouTube too, folks. So anyway, what's up with you?
I'm gonna pick my kid up on work.
Okay. Well. Anyway, Well. All right then. I'm gonna call you back when you get back, or when I stop this vlog. Yeah.
Alright.
All right then.
Alright.
All right. Oh well. Like they say, you know, vultures and all that. You never know. Okay. Some people pretend to be there for you and stuff like that. When your mom gone, nobody there for you except good family members, you know. Yeah, I'm so glad I had a chance to tell my mom I love her and stuff like that. I wish she was still here so I can tell her that again, you know. I have nothing to feel guilty for. Brandon done some dirt. He the one that should be feeling guilty. Anybody that call themselves intimidate my mama, how can you intimidate a sick person? Oh shit. Well, forget it. We gonna skip all that though. Yes indeed. Trying to intimidate me and say I was gonna lose my house, you know. I ain't do nothing to cause myself to lose this house, you know. You gonna lose this house. And you know what? When I ban that douchebag from my house, she was like, I guarantee you they're gonna lose their house. You know, she was gonna do something to make me lose my house. You know, oh, that wouldn't have happened. She would have been in for a rude awakening. You know, Never disrespect Dominoes 7. You're gonna be banned from here for life. You know, especially if especially if you cause yourself stealing from Dominoes 7. You hear me? Banned for life. You hear me? So come over here, be arrested. You hear me? So I should have done a criminal trespass. You know. So she come over here, she trespassing. Anybody that I banned from this house, you come over here, you're trespassing. Including my own brother, he trespassing, you know. Big play, I gotta remember that, okay? So, alright, so that's all I gotta say. Alright, peace out.